Paycheck planning in EveryDollar is a crucial part of budgeting that helps you manage your finances more effectively by aligning your spending with your income on a bi-weekly, weekly, or monthly basis. Here's how to use Paycheck planning in EveryDollar. Set up your budget. First, create a budget in the EveryDollar app. You will categorize your expenses and plan for savings, debt repayment, and discretionary spending. You will allocate your total monthly income to cover these categories. Enter your paychecks. EveryDollar allows you to plan based on your paycheck schedule. If you're paid bi-weekly, for example, enter your expected income for each paycheck. You can input multiple income sources, and EveryDollar will split your monthly budget into manageable parts, reflecting your income stream. Distribute funds to categories. Assign each paycheck to specific categories based on when the expenses will occur. For example, if your rent is due in the first week of the month, allocate enough from your first paycheck to cover it. Track your spending. As you receive each paycheck, track your expenses and update the app as you go. This helps ensure you're staying on track, and you will always know if you have enough to cover upcoming expenses.